All right, we moved from that spot that we went first to drop our anchor. We had to move because not too much fish over there, only had small little, what you call those fish?
Had two, had small moana and had small Hinolea.
Hinolea. Yeah, so we're going to try this area closer to the rock wall. I mean the break wall. So yeah, Takao, he's gonna go do his diving over here next to the rocks. So we'll see what he catch and what we catch over here. All right, shoot. Boom, there you go. Well, I guess I go set up my pole. All right.
You're blue.
All right. Jordan caught one on his little pen pole. Nice.
Oh, finally.
And the Togi Naga pole, still nothing yet.
But we had a big one on.
Yeah, we caught one earlier, but I couldn't grab my my camera
In time.
because I had to use two hands to pull them up. So I took too long to take it up, and it just bit off the hook.